We are at 2 Allegheny Square in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There's the freight elevator. Those are the garage elevators. Here it is. 13. Here we go. Ooh, these are rockets. These are nice. Wow, these are fast. Ooh, these are... Whoa! These were formerly 1971 Westinghouses. There's the service elevator. No. We're gonna do a separate video of service, which is right across from here. Guess we're gonna switch to another car after we go to L. And switch to a different passenger car. These are fast. Very nice elevators. They're EPCO Classic. Whoa. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Send this one up. This is the freight elevator. We're gonna go to that one later. There goes that one. And we got this one. 13. Door close button does not work. Here we go. Wow! These are roller coasters. These were Westinghouses from 1971, modernized by Schindler, and I'm guessing 2011. Get a peek out here. Again, there's the service elevator. No view out. Wow, this kind of like a Bloomingdale's Bridgewater Commons. That's kind of like what you see. What? Whoa, motion activated. Interesting building. Oracle Technologies sitting here.
Well, you can see out through somebody's office.
Check out this call button. This one's from Bridgewater Commons. That's the same call station I found in Bridgewater Commons. L. Here we go. Wow. Wow. These are almost as fast as to Gateway Center. You won't believe how fast these go. 725 feet a minute. 725 feet a minute. Just like the other. Wow, these are roller coasters. Ooh, classic levels a little bit.